Well, look who just leaked the Google Pixel 4. It's Google itself. So it looks like Google decided to give us our first look at the upcoming Pixel 4 in order to remove all the confusions due to the previous leaks. This is the very first time Google has actually teased its Pixel device by revealing its design months before the launch. This now officially confirms that the upcoming Google Pixel 4 is actually coming with a square camera module on the rear like the upcoming iPhones. This is not the first time we are seeing this design, since OnLeaks has already revealed it via the CAD renders. There were rumors that the square camera module of the Pixel 4 has not 2 but 3 cameras, but this official teaser now confirms that there are indeed 2 rear cameras. This is the first time we are getting more than one rear camera on any Google Pixel device, because from the first Pixel in 2016 to the Pixel 3 of last year, we have seen only one rear camera. We can also notice that there is no longer a dual tone design like the previous generation Pixel phones. Instead, the glass has a uniform look and texture throughout. Now the teaser only shows the back of the phone, so it is still a mystery whether there is a hole punch display on the front or the Pixel 4 has the same notch design as the Pixel 3 XL of last year. While we don't know the camera specifications, there is most probably a normal primary camera and a secondary wide-angle camera. Apart from that, there is not much else to see other than the power and volume buttons on the right side of the phone. There is no fingerprint scanner on the back this time, so it will likely be embedded within the display. So what do you think of the design of Google Pixel 4 as revealed by the company? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.